No, you can't.
This Fordson looks exactly like the one my dad had. And that 1020 McCormick.
Was it red? And was it red and cream colored like that?
No, it was just gray.
Gray.
And this McCormick-Deering, the 1020, that Dad had one of those.
So how did he get them? Did he buy and sell amongst the neighbors, the tractors? Did you sort of?
He got this just before he quit farming.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. When he got rid of the horses. Now, this John Deere is really old.
It says 1925.
Yeah. Here's the exhaust coming out. Flying well.
So what year did you get rid of the horses?
Oh gosh, I can't. In the 40s, I guess, late 40s. Here's a cross motor case again.
This one's 1927.
Yeah.
You would have been 1 year old when that was manufactured.
Yeah. You know, this machine's got me beat.
Caulfield Stuker.
Yeah, Caulfield Stuker.